YouTube, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Monday, guys. Monday, November 11th. It's been a pretty crazy week here at the shop, all over Los Angeles, actually. I don't know if you guys have been watching the news. I'm sure you do, because we're barbers and that's all we do during the day. But LA's been burning up. There have been shootings last week. Anyways, there's a lot of things going on here in the LA basin this week. A lot of people lost their homes. Sad. You know, sad. Wildfires are crazy. You know, if firestorms, you know, right? It happens here in LA a lot. And right now we're in the middle of a drought. There hasn't been a lot of rain. 2 years ago it rained a lot. Last year it didn't rain at all. So we're back to being in a time when there's no rain. So everything's dry around here. So every little fire just blows up and turns into a fire. So today's Monday. Today's just me and J-Lo. We're both going in today. I'm gonna get started right now. I'm headed to the shop. I'm gonna stop and get myself a cup of coffee and a donut, because remember, coffee is what makes us go, guys. If you guys don't drink coffee, man, I cannot stress the importance of drinking cafecito. You have to drink coffee. That's like the fuel of life. You know what I mean? Every morning you have to get up and drink coffee, guys. If you're growing into adolescenthood, if you guys are young, if you guys are, you know, I understand when I was, 20, 19, I really didn't drink too much coffee back then. But as I got older and I developed and I became a grown man, you know, coffee's part of life, you know, and you need to have it every morning. Trust me, guys, if you're waking up tired and lackadaisical and feeling like you got no energy, coffee, strong cup of coffee. Make it with an extra scoop of coffee when you make your coffee, and trust me, sweeten it up so it tastes delicious. That's what I do. And you know what? Eventually you'll develop that taste, and it just gives you that little kick to get to go, you know? So I'm excited about this morning. Hope you guys saw my video that I posted up yesterday about the 1919. You know what? I kind of like the machine. I'm not gonna lie. I love the structure. I love the way it's built. I gotta get a zero gap. Once I get a zero gap, I think I'm gonna love it even more. With that, also about the swap meet. You know, I tried to do my video on the swap meet yesterday, and somehow or another it didn't come out. I wasn't able to record it, so I'll do that next week. That'll give me something to do next week. But it didn't come out, so we'll do it next week. I wanted to show you guys exactly how I set up and tear down every day, and I videotaped it yesterday, but it didn't come out. My camera didn't have enough memory, obviously, so I don't know what's going on. So it didn't work. So I'll try it next week again. So with that being said, I'm gonna get these right here, guys. Get started on this day. And I know a lot of people are off today because today is they're celebrating Veterans Day here. So a lot of people are out of work. Nobody's at school. So I expect it to be extremely busy. So hey, guys, if you guys don't work on Mondays, I suggest you start doing it, because Mondays is a great day to supplement your income. Pick up an extra day, guys. Well, guys, that's it for today. It's end up for another week. Today was Monday. Today was extremely busy for me and J-Lo. Another week is over. Another week is done. Tomorrow's my day off. As far as it looks like I don't have to come in tomorrow. I have been having to come in. The last couple weeks I've been only getting 1 day off. Hopefully this week I get 2 days off. But you know what? It is what it is. I don't mind working long as the money's there and the customers are there, the customers are happy. That's all that matters. We've been, it was another extremely busy week. Things worked out really good. You know, we made money, and you know, that's all that matters, guys. My passion drives me. If your passion, that's what it comes down to, guys. Your passion has to drive you. If your passion doesn't drive you, then how are you going to get up and go to work every day? You know, you have to have something to look forward to. You have something to love, and you know, I love what I do. I love my job. This is Big Al's, you know. This is what it's at, you know. So every day is another grind. Every day is another thing, and so you guys gotta keep focused. If you guys stay focused and just grind on, you know, things will come together for you. Trust me, it's all a process. We all have to go through it. Whatever you're going through, whatever it is in life, you know, it's making you a better person for whatever else is gonna come in life. So. You gotta grind through it. Work hard every day. Get up, take care of your family. You know, do what you gotta do, and everything will work out for itself. So that's it for this week. Hopefully, like I said, I have 2 days off. I'll be back on Thursday. I got about 6 tutorials lined up coming up, so I'll be getting those out to you guys as soon as I can. But as far as this week's over, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Hey guys, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are subscribed, please hit the little bell button so you get a notification every time I make a video. And if you guys are watching and not subscribed, shame on you. You guys should be subscribed. Alright guys, this channel is here for you. Any questions you guys have, anything you guys want me to talk about, any videos you guys need me to make, let me know. As far as that's it for the day, and see you guys on Thursday.